Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to show you how to create some fun and festive peppermint swirl nails. Start with a base coat. Apply 2 to 3 coats of a white base. I'm using OPI Alpine Snow. Take a brush and red polish and start in the middle of the nail and make a curve going towards the tip of the nail. Then do the same thing but starting from the cuticle and meeting the other one in the middle. You want to make the curves the same in that if you rotated the curves, they would be facing the same direction, if you know what I mean, like a pinwheel type of thing. And make sure for the next step that you draw 2 more lines and then fill it in to finish the first part of the peppermint swirl. Next, you're going to pretty much repeat the steps, but this time going horizontally. Again, make sure that all of your lines will be going towards the same direction like a pinwheel. To clean up the lines, use your base color of white. Next, take a pink polish with a small brush and make little curved lines in between all of the red ones. Again, you want these to be going in the same direction and you want them to be thinner than the red lines. Again, clean up with white if necessary. Lastly, apply a top coat. Make sure you wait for your design to dry and don't press too hard so that you don't smear your design. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will have more holiday nail art coming soon, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any requests. Thanks for watching. Bye!